If yours after some coaxing, let's see if it's still alive. Nah, good. Alright, give it some turns. I think I finally finished it off. Yep. It did. Alright, let's try something else. Unplug safety first. Alright then, get rid of the DC and just put high voltage AC for it. Arc over the part where it's got open circuit. Oh, let's try this EVS. Low amps, but high voltage. Alright, on the pliers there. Get some arcs in that motor. Just see what the magnetic field does. Just frying up in there. CRT's not going to pick it up. Unplug safety first. Discharge. And then it hits that little rectifier. Gets some melting the hot glue off. It's got melted in there. Good little button now. I think give it a good whack with the pliers, and I shifted the brushes around a bit, so let's pull it apart so it's like a side. There we are, it's all pulled apart. The brushes themselves are gone. Left the copper bits behind. And those contacts are what, as a result, while this is still going, it wouldn't die. You can see there, as I smashed the shaft in, it smashed the rest of the commutator off. And there's our arc that with a ZVS and melted some of the windings. There you are. That's EOL now. Ah, bloody weak batteries. More bloody flogged out batteries. Have yours, well, I think this fuel pump I put in this car lasted a fair while, and now it's stopped running again. I tried everything. Checked the electrics, changed the crank angle sensor, took the fuel lines off, and the fuel pump's just pumping intermittent, it's getting air. But there's plenty of bloody fuel in the tank, so I think this replacement fuel pump's dodgy as well. I reckon because it was sitting in the other car I got it out of, the other VN we've got, and it had premium 98 left in the tank, and it's turned to varnish. And I reckon we cleaned it out and got all the varnish out and got the pump feed up, but it worked good for a bit about a week or two, and now it's buggered up again, so that varnish must have buggered the pump up. It still pumps, so it must be getting enough pressure. It just goes there and just gets air and just intermittently. I poured this off and sprayed some carpet cleaner in there, and she ran good, so it could run on carpet cleaner real well, but there's something on a fuel supply. I tried unblocking it with air, blowing air down there. That doesn't seem to bother it because it just gets good flow, so it's not a blockage issue. I'm going to have to get a new pump for this. I put an inline fuel pump from that van, our old red van we got. See if I can pump through it, but yeah, it's hard to bloody get it to go through. I had that going intermittently to get that going, and it pumped a little bit of fuel through, so there's no blockage. I think the only thing I can put it down to is this replacement fuel pump is buggered too, so in order for this thing to run properly, I'm going to have to get a new fuel pump for it. It appears letting them sit and varnish for too long buggers them up. It may work well, but they bugger up eventually, so I have to get another fuel pump from somewhere for this thing. When it's cranking and that thing troubleshooting can bugger up the other battery, so anyway, that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.